Good morning, Carl with XL Fluid Group here, just west of Columbus at a new Menards facility. We have a pump station here for stormwater. This retention pond here behind me, this pump station services it. We designed and manufactured this at our facility in Cleveland, Ohio, and worked with the engineering firm and construction firm to get this job completed. This pump station has a 6-foot diameter by 20-foot deep concrete wet well, along with 15 horsepower 6-inch Barnes submersible pumps rated at about 2,160 gallons per minute. So it's raining outside, the pump station's currently running, and everything is a-okay. Keep us in mind if you have any new water or wastewater pump station projects. Thank you.